Hello guys, we have so many fireworks. Do you know how many we have? 4 boxes right now. I'm confused, like why do we have them? So, do do do. Oh, this fountain, Feista, big boombox, and the 3 of them are big boombox. And next, maybe we might go to the Sky Tower. Oh, and BTW. Is there any 5 boxes left? Because I'm hunks. Okay, this is not my house. This is somewhere in my parents' house. Parents' friend's house. So we're just gonna go to the here. Here's the 4 boxes. See, look, 1, 2, 3, 4. There is so many. We have the 2020 balloons. Even though the one of the 2 is kind of like weirdly. And so this is part 1 first. So because because we have this is the box revealing, and then we're gonna use them all. I'm not really sure we're gonna use all of them outside, but this is how many boxes we have. I'm so confused, like why. And also my baby brother cannot go outside, so this is my baby brother. It's right there, drinking with the milk. There he is. See? There he is. Can't you see him with the blue toy thing? So I know it's kind of far right now. So I'm so shocked that we have 4 boxes here. Well, so goodbye. Bye.